Most men lose women not because they're unattractive, but because they're predictable. They respond instantly. They over-elaborate. They chase. They express their feelings too soon. They let her feel safe, knowing she already has them. But the man a woman chooses even when she has 10 other men lined up is the one she can't fully read, the one she can't control, one who carries the sense of danger with him. A man who is calm, strategic, emotionally disciplined. A man who understands Machiavellian psychology and moves with the cold patience of the Stoic warrior. Today, I'm going to show you the exact mindset, exact behaviors, and exact psychological tactics that make a woman choose you, even when she has more options than ever. This is not manipulation. This is strategic masculine power, the kind of power every man used to be trained in before modern society softened you. Let's begin. Part 1. The Power of Surprise. Dark Psychology Principle number 1. Women are drawn to the man whom they cannot fully figure out. Not the ill-mannered man, not the silent man, not the mysterious man who is just awkward, but the man who moves like he knows something she doesn't. A woman gets addicted to unpredictability when you don't respond immediately. You don't explain yourself. You don't get emotional about little things. You don't try to impress. You don't expose everything about your personal life. You maintain a rhythm she cannot predict. Why does this work? It is because a woman's brain bonds through emotional friction, not logic. If everything of hers is given free, her interest dies. If she cannot fully grasp you, her desire intensifies. This isn't manipulation. This is giving her something deeper than dopamine, psychological curiosity. A curious woman is a committed woman. Part 2. The Stoic Frame. Emotional authority over yourself. Here is where the Stoicism enters. A woman chooses a man who controls his impulses, his reactions, his time, his emotional energy. The man who is slow to anger, slow to react, slow to chase, but fast to walk away when disrespected. Stoic masculinity establishes power distance, which is where attraction grows. For example, when she pulls back, you don't chase, question, or overthink. You simply match her energy and focus on your mission. When she tries to test your value, you don't react, you laugh lightly and move on. When she gets emotional, you remain calm, grounded, mindful. This emotional discipline tells her subconscious, other men may want you, but this man, he doesn't need you. And paradoxically, that's exactly why she chooses you. Part 3. The Machiavellian Energy Shift. Machiavelli taught one timeless truth. It is better to be respected than loved. When a woman respects you, she chooses you. When she only loves you, she still may choose another person. Your task is to create a values hierarchy in which you are placed above the average man. How? 1. Certainty in your direction. Women can tell when a man is drifting. A man with direction is irresistible. 2. Emotional scarcity. Not cold, scarce. She earns access to it gradually, not without stops, like a hard-won privilege. 3. Strategic kindness. You care, but not blind. Your kindness has limits. 4. Rewarding loyalty, ignoring drama. You respond to peace. You detach from chaos. In Machiavellian psychology, women choose the man who has rules, has standards, has identity, has backbone, because he becomes the prize. Part 4. Female psychology. Why she chooses the hard-to-get man. Here's what most men never understand. Women don't choose a man who pays them the most attention. They pick the man whose attention feels the most valuable. A man of many options signals value, social proof, confidence, genetic success, competence. but a man with options, yet still chooses her. That's the jackpot. She wants to feel like she earned you. This is why the chase kills desire, because it eliminates her need to invest. But when you're selective, when one isn't easily impressed, when your attention is not given freely, she feels that she has something rare. That is when she chooses you. Part 5. The investment principle. Make her invest first. Women fall for what they invest in. If she hasn't, texted first. Suggested plans? Ask questions about your life. Shown interest. Put effort in to meet you. She's not choosing you. How to create investment. 1. Give less than what she gives. Not 0, less. 2. Let silence work for you. Women talk themselves into attraction. 3. Create small gaps. Not distance, gaps. Those moments when she wonders what you're doing. 4. Reward effort with warmth. When she gives more, you soften a little, not before. Part 6. The dark psychology of absence. Presence creates comfort. Absence is the mother of desire. Men overstay. Men chase. Men smother. But the Machiavellian Stoic man knows. A woman needs space to miss you. Silence is not a punishment. It's a psychological reset. A woman's mind attaches during waiting, wondering, missing, imagining, hoping. Your absence acts as a trigger for her emotional investment. Your presence seals it. Part 7. Status, aura, and the high-value male identity. She chooses that man whose identity is bigger than her beauty. You want her. Fine. But do you want yourself? Do you go to the gym, build your career, invest in your mind, carry yourself like a man who commands respect, have purpose bigger than dating? Women flock to identity. The man she can't replace is the man who stands for something. Part 8. The calm dominance blueprint. Your new behavior model. Here is your Machiavellian Stoic formula. Speak less. Say only what is necessary. Hold direct eye contact a little longer than would normally be expected. Move slowly, deliberately. Don't answer questions straight away. Never justify yourself. Control the pace of conversations at all times. Display emotion rarely, but with authenticity. Leave when lines are crossed. Build a life she wants to join. This calm dominance is rare. Women feel it instantly. Part 9. The irreplaceable man. Effect: a woman chooses the man who is. Hard to read, difficult to persuade, hard to manipulate, hard to replace, but easy to trust, easy to follow, easy to feel safe with. The balance of Machiavellian intelligence plus Stoic masculinity creates a man who is strong, calm, strategic, valuable, desired. And that is the man she chooses above all others. Part 10. Final Stoic message. Stop trying to win women. Win yourself. Stop seeking attention. Build presence. Stop proving your worth. Become a man whose value can't be denied. When you master yourself, women do not become the goal. They become the consequence. A man capable of subduing his emotions can conquer his world. And a man who can conquer his world, it never struggles to be picked. Call to action. If you learned something powerful today, imagine what you'd learn if you stayed with this channel. This is Stoic Algo, where we teach men the psychology, the discipline, and the mindset to live like warriors in a soft world. Subscribe, because the next video might just be the one that changes your entire life.